Welcome to the first video of the 2026 season of doing boat repairs in the off season. So in the boat now, I just want to go over a few things that I'm going to be taking care of coming forward in the next few weeks. So the first thing, I took the boards off of the floor, and you can see that, let's see here, there's some of the paint's coming off in the bilge, so I'm going to have to take care of that. So I do have some bilge paint. Sorry for the flicker, I have an LED light here, so I'm trying to illuminate this stuff. So I will take care of that. And also over here, the hinges, as you can see, are actually kind of frozen, so it keeps the doors in place. So there's a few drawers here, or doors here that have hinges that they're frozen, so I have to take the hinges off and free them up. I can't find replacements for them, so I have to free them up. So I will soak them and free them up. I actually already did a video on the doors, and that worked out quite well. So I will do that. And also, the big one, and also I have to do some varnish on these stringers here, because the varnish is coming up. So the big push, or big expense this year, will be the fuel cell. The fuel cell is giving up the ghost. It's 10 or 12 years old, and it's used up, so we have to replace that. So that'll be pretty pricey, but again, it'll get me over a decade of power, so it's not that bad. So we'll be replacing that. That's a pretty easy repair, but it's just pricey. And the fuel cell is actually under the V-berth here. So nice location for it, keeps it nice and dry. We have power all the time. So that's it up here. So these hinges I already did before, as well as these lockers here. So let's look in the head. The head I actually don't have anything to do, which is good. The head, I replaced the seals, I rebuilt the pumps last year, so we're good there. And that's about it. And I replaced the filter on the water as well. So coming back here, again, I will have to free up the hinges on these lockers as well. They're frozen. And that's about it for down here. I don't think I have anything else other than clean up. Yeah, out here, one more thing that I have to do is these grips on the grab rail. They're made by Edson, but again, time and UV have taken its toll, and they're getting kind of gummy, and so those have to come off and be redone. And here's a new Dodger, survived quite well the first season. And then obviously do the varnish and general cleanup. And that's about it. So there will be other projects, but those are the major things. I might do the winches. It's been a few years, but we'll see. They operated fine, but I may grease them. So I guess that's about it for the first video. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.